G'day everyone, Matt from Dreaming RC. Just a quick video on how to set up the Spektrum DX9 for differential aileron. Alright, what's differential aileron and why do we use it? Alright, differential aileron is where you have the upgoing aileron having more travel than the downgoing aileron. Why do we use it? It's to counteract adverse yaw. What's adverse yaw? Okay, when we bank an aeroplane, so let's say we bank the aeroplane to the right aileron goes up, the left aileron goes down. Okay, that downgoing aileron is causing that left wing to produce more lift than the right wing, and that's what makes the aeroplane bank. But because that left wing is producing more lift, the byproduct of lift is drag, induced drag. So that's causing that left wing to want to pull the aeroplane around to the left. So the aeroplane's going to want to yaw to the left when we bank right. That's adverse yaw. So to counteract it, we use differential aileron and have that downgoing aileron going down less to produce less drag. Alright, to set it up in the radio, press the scroll wheel, come down to differential in the function list, select it. Alright, we're in the differential menu. Okay, select inhibit, and then you can scroll across, and it gives you pretty much any option that you can think of to activate differential aileron. Personally, I would just stick to either using a switch, either having it on, using it flight mode selectable, or using any of your switches on your radio. You may have a need to use some of these other fancy things, like using a throttle stick or an aileron stick or whatever. That's up to you if you've got the need for it. But personally, I use flight modes. But I'll show you how to use these first three options. So first option is just having it on. Let's select that, and then when it's on all the time. You can come up here and you can select the amount of differential you want. Let's select it to 50% and I'll show you how it works. Alright, if you look across at the left hand side of the screen at the monitor, I'm going to bank right. Right aileron goes up 100%. Left aileron goes down only 50%. So having that aileron going down less is creating less drag on that side. The aeroplane is still going to roll quite well, but you're going to have less drag on that left hand side, so it's not going to want to yaw to the left. Turn to the center, bank left, you can see the left aileron goes up 100%, right aileron goes down 50%. That's differential ailerons. Works well to counteract adverse yaw. Now every aeroplane is going to be different. So it's just going to be something you're going to have to mess around with when you're dialing in your new aeroplane. Alright, let's look at flight modes. This is what I use. Let's just set some different figures here. Alright, so flight mode 1.
Flight mode 1.
So when I bank to the right aileron goes up 100%, left aileron goes down 100%. You're going to have adverse yaw, undesirable. Alright, flight mode 2. Got 30% in. Bank right aileron goes up 100, left aileron goes down 70. That's going to work a bit.
Flight mode 3.
Flight mode 3, 50%. Bank right aileron goes up 100, left goes down 50, and vice versa when you bank the other way. So that's flight mode selectable, or you can have switch selectable. In this situation, it's got switch A, it's a 2-position switch. Got it turned off in the 0 position, or in the 1 position, got 30% adverse yaw. 30% differential activated. If you're doing your maiden flight, probably your 3-position switch would be good. Maybe you could have it off in position 0, and then maybe 30%
mid-rate
and 50%.
Mid-rate.
Oh, that's switched for my rates, but that'd be something that'd be ideal for your maiden flight, just so you could test it out and see how your airplane responds to it, and then once you land you could adjust it and set what seems to work for the airplane. Anyway, hope that helps. But yeah, that's adverse yaw and setting up differential aileron on the Spektrum DX9. Please subscribe and like below. Feel free to add any comments. Thanks.